Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Huawei P50 Pocket. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the detailed price of Huawei P50 Pocket and coming price of Huawei P50 Pocket and also expected price of Huawei P50 Pocket and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification on my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Huawei P50 Pocket. Here we have built-in function of OS Harmony 0S 2.0 dimension unfolded 170 into 75.5 into 7.8 mm folded 87.3 into 75.5 into 15.2 mm, weight 186 gram, SIM, dual stand nano SIM, color black, gold, silver. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM GSM 850/900/1800/1800/1900 SIM 2 GSM 850/900/1800/1900. This variant also supports 3G band and 4G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz Cardio 680 plus 3 into 2.42 GHz Cardio 680 plus 4 into 1.80 GHz Cardio 680 chipset Qualcomm SM 8350 Snapdragon 888 4G 5 nanometer GPU Adreno 660. Here we have in display technology foldable OLED capacitive touch screen 1 B color multi-touch size 6.5 inches resolution 1188 into 2790 pixel 466 ppi extra features 120 Hz cover display OLED 1.04 inch 340 into 340 pixel 328 ppi. Here we have in memory built-in 128 by 256 GB built-in 8 by 12 GB RAM card nano memory card support up to 256 GB use shared SIM slot. Here we have in camera main triple camera 14 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 32 megapixel LED flash features HDR panorama video front 10.7 megapixel HDR panorama video. Here we have in connectivity WLAN, Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth V5.2 with A2DPLE, GPS yes, up to tri-band, USB yes, Type C to USB on the go, NFC yes, data, GPRS 3G, 4G LTE. Features sensor, barometer, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, side mounted, video, proximity, audio, MP3, flag player, speakerphone, browser, HTML, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games, building plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, active noise cancellation with detection mic, document viewer, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity, LiPo non-removable, 4000 mAh, fast charging, 40 watt, reverse charging, 5 watt. Here we have in price in rupees. The expected price in Pakistani price 2,49,999. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.